door, she locked me out, bro.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm literally so sorry.
I don't like it either. I'm not a fan. Personally, not a fan. Oh my god, is she screaming? I'm gonna die.
Yeah.
No.
I think I've said he's dying.
No, it's okay. I'm just gonna move it to a different location with the knife and then force it to tell us. Oh, never mind. He didn't like the knife. He didn't like.
Where are you?
Oh, he came in, sorry.
Oh no. You being the rat is so funny to me. I turned it on.
That last one
Strange
was
noises,
some weird
flickering lights.
Oh, I don't want to hear them.
Eerie frights. Run away.
Oh wait, she doesn't like that. She doesn't like that. She doesn't like that. She doesn't like that.
Creepiest looking one out of all.
Hey, you know what? There are cobwebs. What if it's a big spider?
Oh.
That's not a big spider. That's not a big spider. That is worse. That's worse. Face the children. Face the children, I say.
Baby.
Oh, you got one already.
Yeah, I did. I grabbed it.
Oh,
My flashlight! My
wow.
flashlight! My flashlight! My flashlight! Oh, no, it's a smaller.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Okay, back.
that's upstairs.
No, it's right
Who
here.
just followed me? I just got a follow thing.
Kick.
Ounce
Oh no.
Go, come upstairs in the boiler room. Just go up this way.
That doesn't sound like a very good idea.
I'm
Right
coming.
there.
Thank you.
When you're alive.
Awkward.
Guys, I can't do this anymore. I've died so many times. Every
Come on,
single
we're
time
almost
it's
done. We're almost done.
Oh no! I can't
She
help
is
you.
red.
I
That
can't
is
help
terrifying.
you. I can't help. Oh, this is like a carnival. Oh.
Guys.
This is from the,
Guys.
Oh my
What?
god.
what was that noise?
What? He ignored me to kill you, Becca. That's a little rude. Come back here and murder me. Oh, Becca, the door. Okay, I'm going to this door. Becca! Oh, a key. Nice.
Becca kicked you out of the closet.
Dare you? That was rude. I'm sorry, I don't
What?
even see anything. I don't even see anything. I'm just scared.
Why is he here? Why is he here? Why is he here?
I'm sorry, that was such a high-pitched scream.
You guys.
Wait, did he get you?
Oh, no, he didn't get me.
Okay, I think he has his gun out and he might start shooting us.
We could probably just... Oh, she's
Wait,
over
why,
there.
why is our flashlight flickering out?
Yeah, she's over here.